This series is about the quantity calculation of substructure, in which we have already done the calculations for footing and the PCC bed which provides support to the footing. Today we are going to do the calculations for neck column, which starts from top of footing up to the ground level. The column which is raised above the footing continues above the ground level. The portion of it from footing top up to the ground level is known as neck column, and the portion above the ground level is known as floor column. The calculations for neck column will be covered in substructure part, and for floor column calculations will be done in superstructure part of my series. So we have the given dimensions of neck column. The length and width of its cross section are equal to 0.3 meter. Its depth is equal to 1.65 meter. To calculate the required quantity of concrete, we need to calculate the volume of concrete, which will be equal to the volume of neck column. Volume of neck column is equal to length into width into depth of this column, which will be equal to 0.149 meter cube. It should be noted that this volume is the wet volume of concrete. So we need to calculate the dry volume to know the exact quantities required. Dry volume will be equal to conversion factor 1.54 into wet volume, that is 0.149 meter cube. So dry volume will be equal to 0.229 meter cube. To calculate the quantity of cement, sand and aggregate, we need to follow the similar procedure as we have been doing in our previous lectures. If any one of you can solve it, let me know in the comment box. Now we need to calculate the shuttering area of this neck column. Shuttering area will be equal to peripheral area of neck column, which is equal to twice length plus width into depth. On substituting these values, we will get shuttering area equal to 1.98 meter square. Finally, the bitumen paint area will also be calculated by using the same formula, that is twice length plus width into depth, which will be equal to 1.98 meter square. So this was all about this tutorial. If you like my content, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates in future. If you want to watch my content in Hindi or Urdu, you can subscribe my second channel, that is Civil Tutor Official. I will provide the link in description. Thank you. I have created a compiled PDF of my lectures, which is based on material quantity calculation. This is an overview of the PDF, which is based on various topics of quantity surveying. If you want to download this PDF, you can get it from the link given in description.